Hey YouTube, what's up? So today we're gonna do like a little episode of COLIARAE. We're cooking with COLIARAE and PAM. Yep. And today we're cooking Southern style cabbage with the smoked sausage. Alright? Alright. So we're about to go ahead and chop up all the ingredients, which is gonna be smoked sausage, bell peppers, onions. I'm gonna add some garlic, minced garlic. The cabbage, that's the most important. And then we're going to top it off with some seasoning. So stay tuned and watch this episode. So right now, Pam, which is my mom, she is chopping, up the smoked sausage. And I'll probably go ahead and chop up the bell peppers, or the bell peppers, but they're really sweet peppers or whatever. But you can use bell pepper, whatever choice, whatever you prefer. Whatever. Just use it. Alright. If you hear any excess noise, it's the kids. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's looking like this. The chopped smoked sausage. Get with it. There it is. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get them in a pan. Start frying them up. Just going to spray some Pam up in the pan. So it won't stick. It shouldn't stick. It says it's not to stick, so we're going to turn the heat on medium. So cook them. Oops. She got to chop another package. I'll chop this one up too. So we're using 2 packets of smoked sausage, what she's showing. And these are the, we're going to have these peppers. With the orange, yellow, and red. The sweet pepper. The mini sweet pepper. Alright. Then y'all know what the head of lettuce the cabbage look like. It's over there on the counter. I know y'all see it. But this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using some Tony. Be using some Tony seasoning right here. So I'm about to wash these peppers so I can cut them up, because who wants to eat dirt on their peppers? Not me. It don't go down like that. So yeah, I'm drawing them off. I'm going to get the little seeds out of here. I'm going to stir up the sausage. So they all mix. Let's see. I don't want to scratch my pan up. I'm going to use this spatula. Might have to turn this heat up a little bit too. I can just bag out the window so you can see what I'm doing. Alright. Chopping the pepper. Cause who wants to eat the seeds? I mean, not me. I'm gonna get all them seeds out. I'm gonna rewash it again. So make sure all the seeds is out. Then I guess I'm gonna get Pam to cut this onion. I might cut it. I don't know. Since she is holding Jalen, and Jalen likes to be clingy to me. So let me go back and rinse these peppers out. We get these little seeds out of them, and I'll be back. Yeah, I'm just dicing the yellow pepper up. My kids don't like peppers like that, so I'm kind of dicing smaller. I'll go back and re-dice a little bit. And as you can hear, that the sausage is popping. Smelling good. Yeah. So now I'm gonna cut the red one up. Yes, Melissa.
No, he's looking. Why is there the video? Yo, you cooking?
Junior. Okay, back up. That's all. So yeah, I'm cooking the top of the red pepper. Back up, Melissa. We are cooking. Back up. So.
You got it? Take on here. In the little hand.
The sausage you can eat by itself.
Yeah, I want to cook them too much before you put them in the cabbage.
Don't tell me, Mom. Tell the YouTube people.
Just want them to brown a little bit because you're gonna cook them again.
Talk to the camera.
You're gonna cook them. You're gonna cook them again when they are in the cabbage. So we're just gonna brown them just a little bit.
So how is marriage life?
It's all in what you make it.
I need to know because, you know, I'm still new at this marriage thing.
As long as you got a hot meal, they're satisfied.
That might work for you, but it's new tradition. So we'll make it last.
You've been in it long enough to know what make it last.
What?
I'm gonna turn this down a little bit.
What? What's an advice that you can give me to know to make things work when things get hard?
Just put God first and he'll make everything all right.
Okay, that's good advice.
If you can't do it by yourself, you got to have him in it.
Good advice, good advice.
I'm just add this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the onion up. I don't want to use that knife.
So I will be putting this minced garlic in there. Let me see if I can get the camera focused. Right here, it's organic minced garlic. I'll be putting in there when I'm about to saute the onions to give it a little more flavor. Then I also put in put the bell pepper, not the bell pepper, the sweet peppers. I don't know why I keep saying bell pepper.
You can use bell peppers too, though.
Yeah, I thought of that, but I'm about to put them up in here. I don't know if I squeeze up in there. Just enough. I guess we go put the bell peppers up in there. What's the onion?
Yeah.
So what Pam is adding is the peppers and the onions into the pot with the minced garlic. And she's dropping it. We'll let them saute together and get all glorious. Give it a little whisk like that. Add the seasoning. Then I'm gonna add the sausage back up in there in this pot. Then we're gonna let it cook down. She gonna wash the cabbage too, because we ain't eating no dirty stuff. Don't say that because my knife not dull.
It is dull.
Work with it. Work through it.
Do you not put some chips in? Because last time I had
So what she doing is cutting the core out, because she want to eat something hard, not us. Just pop it out. You see that? Just pop it out like she said. And then that'll make it easier to chop up. So Pam is just chopping it like this. Like I said, she's gonna wash it in a few. And this with the peppers and the onions and the white with the garlic.
I really cannot see.
So once she wash it, we're gonna throw it in there with the everything. We're gonna let it marinate. Not marinate.
What is
We're gonna let it simmer together.
What is that?
Alright, so now Pam is adding the cabbage to the mix, to the sausage, peppers, and onion. We're just gonna let it saute down. Add a little bit more seasoning to it. Then we got some southern cabbage, y'all. She'll make the pot big enough, but watch this magic. We're gonna make it do what it do. Gonna let it cook down a little bit, then we're gonna put the seasoning and stuff on it. So now I'm just letting it cook down. Then the cabbage cook down some more so I can stir it better. I'm seasoning it while I'm doing that as well. With this Creole, Tony Creole. That's what I'm seasoning it with.
Mama.
There you go. Just letting it continue to cook down so I can stir it better. And it's pot. My mom says a small pot, but yeah, it's okay.
So this is what it's looking like. It's turning out to be really, really good. Just stir it up a little bit. It's cooking down very nice. So this is what it's looking like.
Stop biting me.
So let it cook down a little bit more. And we'll be back.
She got so scared. She put on the table. I slammed down the chair in her. I hit on the chair.